उत्तराखंड के आदरणीय राज्यपाल महामहिम लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल गुरमीत सिंह जी, who has been the Vice Chief of Army Staff, हमारे बहुत ही आदरणीय श्रद्धेय स्वामी चिदानंद जी महाराज सरस्वती, जो परमार्थ निकेतन के मुख्य हैं, Madam Jaya Chaturvedi, our Dean Academic, Dr. Raman Kumar, President of the Indian Academy of Family Physicians, who's actually the founder of this particular society and the backbone of this movement in this country. Dr. Santosh Kumar, Additional Professor, Department of Community and Family Medicine, the organizing secretary for this conference, the 6th conference of Academy of Family Physicians, which is taking place in AIIMS Rishikesh. Those present, Honorable Lieutenant General Ashok Jindal, Executive Director and CEO of AIIMS Raipur, Executive Director and CEO of AIIMS BB Nagar, Hyderabad, Dr. Vikas Bhatia ji, and all other members, Professor Ashok Bhardwaj, who is the chairman of National TB Elimination Committee of Government of India, and many other prominent supporters of family physicianship in the country who are participating in this conference as faculty, and those who have registered, and my own faculty colleagues who have come to attend this particular inaugural ceremony. It's been actually, AIIMS Rishikesh, as you know, was started in 2012, and we are actually going to reach our teens now. And as Dr. Rashmi has pointed out, that we have reached the rank of 14 in NIRF ranking, and we are actually second amongst the AIIMS, and the first in the second generation AIIMS at the moment. But of course, this keeps changing, and we have many of our national institutes of national importance who are always catching up with us. We have been fortunate enough to have the guidance of Honorable Governor, His Excellency Lieutenant General Gurneet Singh Ji, for various activities that we are carrying out in this particular institute. And some of them are introduction of aeromedical services, which include a heli ambulance. We have helicopter operations which are happening almost every day, where patients are being evacuated to AIIMS Rishikesh. We have drone services by which we are distributing medicines and also diagnostics to various centers in the state of Uttarakhand. We have started some telemedicine services as a hub and spoke model with different centers in state of Uttarakhand and also beyond. We are part of the National Medical Colleges Network for telemedicine, which is a project of Government of India, and we are also Center of Excellence for Artificial Intelligence. And all this in the backdrop of trauma and all other problems which keep taking place in this particular state, we have been able to accomplish some of the very important projects and very important works which are being highlighted all over the country. We know that family practice is something which is very important, and today we are going to have all our dignitaries guide us about how we should be going about in family practice throughout the country. We know that Rishikesh is very pleasant these days. You must have had the occasion to visit Parmarth Ashram yesterday, where I think all of you had a very, very sacred time, and we do feel that you visit all other places and also some adventure sports in the city of Rishikesh. With those words, I welcome all of you. I'm so thankful that you are here for this particular conference, and you're looking forward to the academic feast which is waiting for you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.